This week's show is going to be brought to you by Amber Lolly, a really great product. I encourage you guys to go check it out. AmberLolly.com. Link is down below in the description.
Hey, look, I want to talk about this Amber Lolly product again. Whenever something good comes along, I do want to talk about this. My neck, I had a kink in my neck from hell, and the pain was, it gets to the point where you get headaches. So I just grabbed the cream and I rubbed that crap on the back of my neck. After a while, you don't even realize that the pain is gone. You're just going, and here we are several hours later, and there's no pain. And it works really quick. I like that. So joint pain and muscles, sore muscles, nice. And then here's the thing about me. I get offered all the time. People want to come on, they want to be sponsors, they want to be this. My thing is, if I don't use your product, I'm not interested. You know, I could sell out everything and make a ton of money, but no, you know, my subscribers to me are very important. But this product here, absolutely, I'm going to endorse this. I like it a lot. AmberLolly.com.
Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, been keeping an eye on the market and having some really good conversations with people. I understand there is a lot of concern. Some of you people have spent a little bit more money than you should have in cryptocurrencies. And now you're in that strange panic mode. Some of you guys are in a situation where you feel like you have to sell, but if you do, then it's a huge loss. So you either sell now at a huge loss and you learn your lesson, or you go ahead and you continue to hold until the market rebounds. This is how it gets you. Hodling, when you hold on too long, you keep waiting for it to rebound and you just the money keeps disappearing, and you keep holding, it keeps disappearing, and you just keep holding and it keeps disappearing. And you're like, dang it, if I sell, you feel like somehow you're going to jinx it, right? You know that feeling? Like if I sell now, then the next thing you know, it'll rebound. Isn't that how it normally works out? As soon as you sell and you take a huge loss, next thing you know, it rebounds and you're kicking yourself in the butt. That's what sucks about investing. We're going to get into that. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings in their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description, so head on over there, enter to win. Yeah, between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. People keep asking me, where is the link, Pimpy? It's real simple. If you're at my page on YouTube and you're watching any of the videos, any of them, you see the video here and you scroll down, see my name right here? If you go here where it says show more and you click it, here's all the links to the things you have access to. If you want to enter into the competition to win 100 free medals, just click it right here and it'll take you to the website where you can sign up. If you want to buy and own physical gold and silver, Just click this link right here and it'll take you to the Money Metals website. And if you're thinking about buying cryptocurrencies, just scroll on down until you see the word Coinbase. Click this and it'll take you over to the website that you can sign up for. So you can buy Shiba, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. As everyone is aware of an alternative website, the link is down below in the description. Over here I post original content as well as other videos that have been banned from YouTube. It costs $3 a month to join for unlimited access, and all proceeds go to finding life's purpose. So come on over there and join us. Beware of scammers. That's right, people posing and pretending to be me. How you can tell us apart is real simple. If you post a comment and I respond, you will see a dark circle around my name. See this? It's either gray or black. I won't be sending you to WhatsApp, and I won't be sending you to Telegram or Telegraph or anything like that, nor would I be asking you for money. From time to time, I will be using material that's considered copywritten. I post this just to show that I am exercising my fair use rights. Again, I want to remind everybody that we'll be in St. Petersburg, Florida, Friday, December 17th and 18th. Come on out and join us. We'll be at the hangar. Some of you know where that is. Just pause right here. And you can get the address. It's free. Come hang out. Plus, there's some crypto classes. Come through. You might learn something. I look forward to meeting you there. Plus, I will have some giveaways. Okay, so what's going on with investments? We're looking at gold and silver. They've been pretty much horizontal. They go up and down but with very little movement whatsoever. Not up nor down for the most part. But cryptos, I kind of feel like they've been in some kind of bubble. Is there a market correction? Have these been overpriced? Look at that Bitcoin, 47,846. Ethereum still above the $4,000 mark at 4,055. Solana, $176. Cardano, $1.27. XRP is at 83 cents. Polkadot's at $26.36. Luna is at $68.35. Dogecoin's at 16 cents. Shiba continues to drop lower in the rankings, but it's still hanging around the same area. It's still 4 zeros, 3.4, 3.7. It's just been pretty horizontal. Not a lot of movement, but definitely a lot of great news for Shiba holders. So hang tight, you guys. It will rebound. Looking at the 52-week average, Bitcoin's almost at the halfway mark. Ethereum still in the top, 4/5. Solana is about the halfway mark. Cardano about the 1/4 mark. XRP about the 1/4 mark. So yes, cryptos are starting to lose their values. If you look at the 52-week average where the blue dots are overall, most of them are at the halfway mark or lower, with only a few exceptions above the halfway mark. Luna up near the high side of their 52-week average, along with Ethereum that I told you is the best coin out there, and Binance Coin. So in talking to people, what happened is this. If you look at Bitcoin, the other day I showed you that it just barely dropped down about right here. But look, here in May, you're at 58,200. It dropped down about $18,000. Went up a little bit, and they continued to drop in July. That's about $27,000. So 18,000 here, 27,000 here. And then a rebound, you guys. So people were panicking back then. So all of a sudden, you're looking at Bitcoin at 58,200. By the time it came to the 16th, you're down 18,000. Starts to recover a little bit, then drops back down. By July, you're down to 31,000. It's all right. Then what happened? Then it dropped back up. By August, it was back up to 51,000. Came down to 43. Shot back all the way up to what? 65,000. That was November the 7th. 1 month later, it's dropped down to 47. So you're looking at an $18,000 loss again, just like over here. So will it rebound just like it did here a little bit and then shoot back up? That's what these do. So what's happening is people are losing money on their cryptos, or so they say. You think you do. I keep telling you, here's what happens. You don't incur a loss until you sell the coin. If you bought it at one price and then it drops lower than you sell it, then yes, you have a loss. But if it drops lower and you just sit on it and then it rebounds, did you really have a loss? It only becomes a loss in money when you sell the asset. Stock markets crash. They do. You'll see sometimes stock lose 50, 60, 70, 80% of its value. But if you hold on to the stocks and the company recovers or somehow survives, eventually starts to go back up. Now, it might take years and years for it to get up to the level that it might have been, especially with inflated values right now. It's going to take a while. You saw what happened in the March. Remember I showed you a graph for March 2020? All the assets dropped. It took several months for cryptos and stocks to recover. Gold recovered in a matter of weeks. Silver recovered in a matter of weeks. Each asset is different. But the point was it recovered. How we had, what was it? Bitcoin dropped down to around $6,800. Heck, buy on the dip, you guys. That's what you do. Wait for it to bottom out and buy and just hang tight. The problem is, I keep telling you guys to use discretionary funds. What I mean by discretionary is this. The money that I have in cryptos, if it bottoms out to zero and it never gains again, sure, it sucks that I lost that money. I would be happy about it, but it's not the end of the world. I still could pay my bills. I don't lose my house. I can still eat. I can still drive around. Still have clothes. Nothing's wrong. It hasn't changed my life at all, other than the fact that I'm just pissed that I lost some money. That's it. That's discretionary funds. But if you're putting money in there that you should have used on your mortgage or car payment or feed the kids, that's not good. If you're trying to get that quick, rich high, very few people get lucky and catch it really quick. Very few people jump in it one day. It's like at, I don't know, 1 cent. And then in 2 months, all of a sudden, it's up to $1. It's 100 times where it was. And a person made a lot of money. That happens, but it doesn't happen that often. Timing is everything. Some people get lucky, some people don't. Just don't panic. Like I said, it doesn't count as a loss until you sell your cryptos. So what you do now is just hang on to them. You're already this far down. So if you're at the point where you don't have a choice, you need some bills to be paid, well, then obviously you need to sell your asset. But if it isn't going to change your life by holding on to them, then leave them alone. Like I said about gold or silver, I wouldn't care if they drop all the way down to $1 each. I would just buy a crap load more. That's because I know about that asset. I know a lot of it. These cryptos, I'm questioning, but I still have money in them. You can see how slow Ethereum goes up and down. But you guys should be used to it by now. We've saw huge volatility swings many times. So by now you should be used to it. All right? So don't panic, you guys. Like I said about the Iraqi dinar and the Vietnam dong, just leave your cryptos alone somewhere, ignore them for a little while, come back a little bit later on and see where they are. Satoma is at 7042, lost 9%. It's on a decline again. I don't know what's going on. We get these major dips. People are just selling off. In 1 hour, it's down 2.4%. The past hour is down 9%. The past 7 days is down 32.1%. The past 14 days is down 29.2%. And the past 30 days is down 42.6%. So cryptos, all cryptos are getting hit. See the mask. Here it is. It's 77% of the audit is done. Yes, this is why I'm holding on to my Satomas. Not to mention the fact, if you look at reflections, somebody that had Ethereum, a whale, came in and bought a ton of Shiba and a ton of Satoma. So the metaverse tokens, you got 2 in the green. All the rest are in the red. So this is happening everywhere. Remember I told you it's the holidays. This is what happens. People are buying Christmas presents. They're not investing right now. It's real slow. People are traveling. Money's a little bit tight. But somewhere around halfway through December, which is about another week or so, towards the end of December, you'll start to see assets rebound. So I know some of you are panicking, but just hang tight. We'll see what happens, okay? Anyways, I just wanted to respond. I didn't want you guys to panic because more than several of you are asking me, have you seen crypto market? Yes, I've seen it. I've seen it. I don't panic. I just leave it there. The Shiba coins I have, that's it. I'm holding them all the way to the end. The Satoma coins, I have them. I'm holding them all the way to the end. Either they're going to drop all the way down to where they don't exist no more, or they're actually going to become something, and eventually they'll work their way up. In the meantime, I'm just holding on to my coins. Whether it takes 2 months, 2 years, 5 years to get to where they need to get to, whatever, I'm just holding on to them. Now, if you found out you could become a millionaire in 5 years just by holding on to your token, can you be that patient? Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways, that's it, you guys. Keep your head up, all right? Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.